Are you someone who is wasting a lot of time without discipline in your life? Are you doing a lot of bad habits, but you're not able to come out of it, right? Are you someone who having a lot of big goals, but unable to become disciplined in your life? In this video, I go deep into about how you can ruthlessly develop that self-discipline in your life that create miracles for yourself. It may be financial freedom, it may be quality life, it may be wonderful business, whatever it is, it's possible with the discipline. I'll share my presentation and I'll show you how you can develop that self-discipline easily every single day. Develop self-discipline. No, in this video, I go deep into about what is self-discipline and how you can have a mindset shift to build that self-discipline in your life, and how to practice self-discipline every single day with a simple yet powerful routines. Self-discipline is very simple. Self-discipline is the ability to control your feelings and overcome your weaknesses, the ability to perceive what you think is right, despite temptation to abandon it. It means, self-discipline is very simple in such a way that you have to control the urges, control the resistances of doing the negative habits, doing the entertainment, doing the bad habits, doing the negative stuff, to overcome it with positive stuff. It may be building your high performance routines. It may be planning your day. It may be executing it. It may be learning new things, right? Discipline is not that much difficult. It's a very simple, but it's a learned behavior. You cannot expect a discipline overnight, but it requires a little bit of practice. The best part is it's a learned behavior. You can also learn it by following a very simple routines in your life. You know why self-discipline is very important to you? Because it's a tool of masters. If you really want to master something, you must show up every single day, and you must be disciplined every single day to do the same task again and again until you generate some results for yourself. That results will motivate you. It may be anything. It may be programming. It may be communication skills. It may be gaming. It may be drawing or whatever the case is. If you really want to master something, you must be disciplined. And discipline will systemize your life. How many times in your life completely randomness is there? You don't know when to wake up. You're waking up, you're spending some time on WhatsApp to Instagram, wasting a lot of time on randomly doing the things, and you feel like you're very busy, but you're not executing anything which is very effective to you, right? A lot of randomness in your life, but with self-discipline, you can systemize your life. You can systemize your office work. You can systemize your business. You can systemize your relationships very easily, so that you never feel like you're stuck in the same place, and it's a growth path. And it will strengthen your mental resilience. Yes, if you are disciplined every single day, after 30 days you can see some kind of growth happen in your mind. Even you can easily perceive it. This mental resilience is very important to solve bigger problems. Whenever you get a problem, you don't have the mindset to solve it. But if you develop the self discipline every single day, that will strengthen your mental power. That will give you the mental resilience and the inner gut to face any challenges in your life. Without that discipline, you cannot have this kind of inner power in your life. And it creates some miracles. If you really want to create some miracles, it may be 7-figure investments, it may be 8-figure business, or it may be a handsome six-pack body. It is impossible to achieve all these miracles without self-discipline. You must be disciplined every single day to create miracles in your life. Discipline is not that much difficult. If I show you small tweaks, if you implement it, discipline is very easy. I have been disciplined since more than 6 years, and I'm literally doing my software job and building a community called Productivity Empire at the same time because of this self-discipline. And whatever I'm giving, exactly I'm implementing the same. And it is the true way of freedom. If you really want to achieve financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom, or whatever the freedom you're expecting, discipline is the right way, true way, right? Lot of people talks about goals, lot of people talks about visualization, but it won't work until you take action, until you take this disciplinary action to get that freedom in your life, right? And in this discipline, there is an interesting concept, which is a voluntary hardships. We voluntarily put ourselves in the hardships so that you can increase your power, you can increase your ability to get more work done in less time. I'll tell you what is voluntary hardship. Voluntary hardship is the practice of opting for growth over comfort by choosing to overcome avoidable adversaries. It cultivates an appreciation for life and fortifies our inner willpower and character. This voluntary hardship is makes you put yourself in beyond your comfort zone every single day, learning new things, going to the public and talk, or maybe whatever the case, you are feeling shy or fear or not interested to work. But if you practice this voluntary hardship, put yourself hardship voluntarily beyond your comfort zone every single day, to set obstacles. Obstacles are the way. Ray Holiday is an author. He told that obstacle is the way. He's the book also there. Obstacle is the way. Every obstacle has an opportunity inside it to let you grow to the next level. If you treat it as an obstacle, you stuck. You never grow. But if you treat it as an opportunity, you break through it, you push through it, you do it every single day until that obstacle will become easy way in your life. How many times you tried something new and you failed? you know 99 times out of 100 times we all fail when we start. Even when I start this YouTube journey, I don't even know how to face the camera. When I start my productive journey, I don't know how to track my time. When I start my software job, I don't know how to code. When I start my BTech, I don't know how to type, right? When I start my schooling, I don't know ABC. But we are all put ourselves in the voluntary hardships, and we learn something new every single day, and we choose growth over comfort, and we put ourselves in the avoidable adversaries, avoidable problems which can be avoided. And while journey, you are increasing your power, you are increasing your resilience to next level. while while avoiding the problems, you are increasing your inner power and inner resilience to move forward. I'll tell you how to adapt that mindset of self discipline. Practice delayed gratification every single day. Don't be fool yourself like enjoying everything which will give you the returns every day, like eating your favorite food, maybe watching Amazon Prime movies, or it may be using WhatsApp a lot, Instagram a lot, or maybe bad habits a lot, or whatever the case is. If you practice instant gratification, you cannot have the discipline in your life. Even there is an experiment done on the kids by Manhattan University. What they found is the kids who practice delayed gratification will become successful after 20 years more than the kids who have that instant gratification. That's marshmallow effect, right? Practice delayed gratification. Focus on how much you will earn, how much you will generate, how much you will create in future than now. And works discipline works like a snowball effect. It's not a one time activity. It will give you a like a small disciplinary activity today will never show you this big results to you, but it is working like a bamboo tree. Internally you're growing, but one day it will show to the world in a more exponential way. It's like a snowball, right? Every single day you must be disciplined to build up this snowball until you can show the results to the world. And remember, there is no overnight success. If someone says he is lucky, he's awesome, Zuckerberg is great, Bill Gates is awesome, Warren Buffett is intelligent. No, they're also common people like you and me. But the main difference is the self-discipline. They have more discipline in their life to do everything, to give whatever they really wanted and committed to do. There is no overnight success in the world. A small change consistently every day over time creates exponential results. Yes, it's not about getting exponential results immediately, but if you vision yourself for the next 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 30 years, it will give you the next level results with these small changes. Never underestimate the small improvements in your life. It might be minute today, but it will give you the massive snowball effect tomorrow in future. And embrace the pain. In discipline, I'm not saying discipline is easy, but discipline is simple. And in that discipline journey, you must have some small pains, right? You need to embrace that pain. You need to enjoy that pain. Feel proud of creating a next level person of you, right? Embrace that pain, love that pain, enjoy the journey, and put yourself in uncomfortable place every single day. Even recording this video is not that much comfortable, right? I spent 10-20 hours of research to build this powerful golden nugget for you, right? Facing the camera is not a comfortable way. Creating content is not a comfortable way, right? Solving problems is not even comfortable. The more comfortable activities are entertainment, spending a lot of time on useless talking about the goals, doing a lot of negative habits, right? But in order to build that self discipline in your life, make sure you put yourself in uncomfortable zone. And remember, everything you achieve is easy to achieve. It is not that much worthwhile. If it is difficult and you achieved it, that is what is more worthwhile in life. And now, how to practice self-discipline every day. I'll tell you 12 hacks how to practice self-discipline every single day. It might hurt you a little bit. Even you might feel crazy regarding these self-discipline activities, but there is no other way. You must do that. You must do it to become super disciplined in your life. First, wake up and sleep same time every day. Yes, this is one of the best and the first self-discipline activity. Because if you sleep randomly or if you wake up randomly, you cannot have a specific block in your day, which is a wake up time to plan for your important work. Suppose one day you wake up at 11 a.m., other day you wake up at 8 a.m., other day you wake up at 4 a.m. How can you predict and plan, right? Suppose one day you sleep at maybe 8 p.m., other day you sleep at 3 a.m. Completely random, right? If you have the lot of randomness in your life, you cannot be more productive. You cannot be more disciplined in your life. Please ruthlessly set that sleep and wake up cycle so that you can have the perfect block. It may be anything. It's based on your work, it's based on your behavior, it's based on your lifestyle. But set one time, whether it is 11 p.m. sleep and then 7 a.m. wake up, or it may be 9 p.m. sleep and then 4 a.m. wake up. Got it? And the second hack is plan tomorrow before your sleep. Most people don't even think about it. You know why a lot of time is completely being wasted? Because we don't know what to do. We have a slight dreams on our mind, a slight goals on our mind, which is not that much impactful to implement it every single day. What you have to do is before your sleep, spend that 15 minutes block just to think about how my tomorrow would be look like. Just plan after morning what I'll do, before breakfast what I'll do, after breakfast what is the important work, before lunch what's the important work, after lunch what is the important work. Please block the time, even if it is entertainment, block it, right? Discipline is not about completely cutting the entertainment. No, I'm completely opposite to the people who say no to entertainment. I am also entertaining a lot. It doesn't mean that I am not disciplined, right? Plan tomorrow before your sleep every single day. And if you plan and sleep, that will give you a next level power to digest that plan into your mind. Tomorrow morning, you wake up with executing the first step in your plan. Resist that impulse urges. Yes, it may be your favorite food. It may be your favorite web series. It may be your talking to a friend for 3 hours. It may be doing any bad habit. Please resist that urges. Resist that urges for at least 1, 2, 3 times and challenge yourself every single day. Challenge yourself every single day to get that done, to get that done in a more productive way, right? Get that important work done. And eat clean, right? In most of the cases, I found that maybe you're eating a lot, you're not able to be productive. Maybe you're not eating a lot and you feel exhausted every single day. Both are dangerous. Both extremes are dangerous. Overeating, dangerous. Less eating is dangerous. The preferable rule is 50% of your stomach should be filled with food, 25% of your stomach should be filled with water, and 25% should be empty, right? Along with that, instead of having the big meals, you can have small meals. Small meals 4 times a day. Nothing wrong in that. You don't need to eat 3 times. You can eat 4 times or 5 times, but eat small meals. That will give you more energy. Exercise at least 30 minutes per day. Yes, exercise at least 30 minutes per day. Because of this digital technology, because of this laptop works, you don't know how many diseases you are injecting into your body, not by moving your body. Please do a little bit of exercise. Even it may be anything. Even it's not about having the dumbbell rods or barbell rods. No, even it may be a small walk, or it may be a small run, or it may be anything. Jumping jacks also fine. Do it, and you can see the energy flowing in every single day. Do a 30 minutes, even if not possible, 15 minutes of exercise is enough, right? According to the researchers, you will get less likely all the diseases if you at least do a 15 minutes of exercise. Or I'll tell you an alternative way for the exercise. You can inject that physical movements in your daily routine. It may be putting your important accessories to a different place where you are walking and getting that items to you. Or it may be stepping ups and down, or going to the stairs and coming down, walking around the house, whatever it is, but build some physical activity routine in your life. Train your mindset for growth. Yes, most people don't do it. Lot of times you might be junking, you might be injecting a lot of junk in your mind that will never give you a positive discipline in your life, right? If you are consuming every content in the world, it may be a Facebook short videos, YouTube short videos, it may be Instagram reels, it may be TikTok, it may be useless stuff, that will never make your mindset right for your growth, right? Make sure you are injecting, you must aware of what you are giving to your mind first. Are you aware of it? What are you giving? Most people not even consciously think about it. Corona is happening, world is going to the next level, completely every business coming to the digital, right? Lot of things are happening, but what you focus is more important than the world, right? What you really want is more important than what world is doing, right? If you are a person who keep on looking at what others are doing, honestly, you don't have enough time to build the life you want. You don't have enough time to build that self-disciplined person in your life. Train your mindset for growth. Maybe you can build your own affirmation sheet. Maybe you can listen to the powerful audios, listen to the TEDx talks to train your mindset. And 7, skip the unnecessary meetings and create a time for your passion. I have seen even in my office, there are some meetings without any clear agenda, even without any clear preparation. We are all the passive participants, but only 1 or 2 active participants. They are discussing. Just a waste of time. Please skip all those unnecessary meetings to create a time for your learnings, for your growth, or for whatever the case it is. You can take rest as well, right? You can skip them intelligently. Ready to start your learning journey again, right? How many days you have finished without reading a single book? How many days you finished without learning something new? Don't be fool yourself without learning new every single day. That will never make you disciplined, right? If you really want to be more disciplined, learn something new every single day. It may be your domain, it may be your job, it may be your passion area, it may be your favorite hobby. Whatever it is, just practice something new that will give you a next level neural network firing in your mind, that gives you a power to you, that will gives you a discipline to you. And review your day honestly. Most people don't do it. Everyone say, yes, I am busy, I'm effective, I'm this, that. Actually, how much you accomplish at the end of your day is called productivity. I repeat it, how much you accomplish at the end of the day is called productivity. It's not about how much you did, it's not about how much busy you are, it's about how much value you created to this world. Honestly, rate your day. It may be on a scale of 1 to 10. Even now, my days are like 6 and 7, even though I'm very productive, but I feel like there is always a room for improvement. A room for improvement. Just practice this kind of scaling, tracking your days to see how much productive and disciplined you are, and show up every single day. I have seen, maybe you start something, maybe you're interested to do something, and you're very pumped up and motivated for the 1 week, but after 1 week, life happens to everyone. Life happens to everyone, and you're not able to execute it again. Maybe you are having a lot of randomness again. Just ruthlessly show up every single day, learn something new every day. Even this video, I decided to create as much value to you. That's why, even though this video is not that much perfect, I'm showing up every single day. You can see, even though the quality of the video is not that much great, that's okay. My intention is to add value to you, solve your problem, kill that randomness in your life, build a super disciplined lifestyle for you, right? Show up every single day, even if it is imperfect. I have seen a lot of times we procrastinate for perfectionism, right? We procrastinate for perfectionism, but just stop it. Just ruthlessly stop it. Focus on showing up every single day, learning something new, and give more than you take. Give more than you take. It's very, very difficult, yes, but the law of universe work will work for you if you are giving more than you take. Yes, give more work to your office than you take the salary. Give more value to your kids than you are expecting them to give, right? Give something back in terms of charities, in terms of voluntary activities, in terms of anything that will give you a sense of power to attract more, right? Just give something back that will make you more disciplined in your life. Along with that, build your performance with a world-class routines. Yes, world-class routines. It may be exercising, learning, meditation, training your mind, train the people, build this high performance habits, high performance routines, world class routines in your life that will give you a next level leverage in your life. I'm not saying you will be instantly productive with this routine, but if you keep on executing them consistently over time, that will give you the next level leverage of world class routines. Please implement this. And before you finish this video, first, type in the comment below what is that number one action you start implementing today. And please hit the like button. Subscribe to this channel because this is a brand new channel. We are adding a lot of value to you until you become super productive in your life. This is Amesh Yadav, productivity expert. See you in the next video.